Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to read Instagram messages without being seen. If you want to read anyone's Instagram messages without being seen, so you have to enable a setting. So just open your Instagram app and here go to your profile icon in the right bottom corner of the screen. Just tap here to open your profile and here you have to tap on three dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and then scroll down and here you'll get an option of messages and story replies. Tap on it and here you will get another option which is show read receipts. Just tap on it and here you will get the setting. You have to disable it. Just tap on it and then it will be disabled. And now you can easily read anyone's Instagram messages without being seen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.